I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, we're talking about reaching a certain time period. In that case, given this particular language structure that we're presented with, we have to use a preposition in this gap to communicate that. And that preposition is until, but until now. For question 2, we have to have a look at the whole of the first sentence in context. In the first part of the sentence, it talks about an assumption. The second part of the sentence seems to suggest that to now, that assumption has not been proven yet. So we're looking for a negative form to go into the gap, because the negative form doesn't exist anywhere else in the sentence, so we have to include it. So what answers do we have? Well, we've got a choice of two. We can say never, and we can say not. We can say never been proven, and we can say not been proven. For question number 3, this is an expression which means that it's been proved to the extent that no one can dispute it. In other words, it is true, or they believe it to be the case that it is true. But we've got this structure with doubt. So what is this missing word that communicates everything that I've just said? The answer is beyond. It is beyond doubt that ... For question number 4, there's 2 ways to arrive at the same answer. It's clear that we need a preposition of some kind, but what preposition do we need? Well, we can either have a look at the language that follows, on someone's well-being, or we can have a look in terms of the verb that this noun collocates with, and that verb is affects, the effects of something on someone. So the answer is on. Question number 5, grammar form that comes up from time to time, and it's something that I strongly suggest that you get to grips with, and that is grammar expletives. If you don't know what grammar expletives are, go to Google now, type in grammar expletives. Don't just type in expletives, you'll find something else. Grammar expletives, and find out what they are. This is an example of a grammar expletive, and as a result, the answer is what? For question number 6, this is all about preposition pairs. Prepositions work together in pairs. As you go in, you've got to go out. As you go away, you've got to go towards. As you go to, you've got to go from. And here the answer is to in that case. Question number 7, there's a language pattern or a verb specifically which tells us which preposition that we need here. So you require something for something else, and that's what we need here, for. For question number 8, we have to understand the whole sentence together. First of all, we got the first word, however, which introduces a contrast. Then we've got the main clause. Then we've got a clause which tells us what happens as a result from the main clause. So we need to somehow join the clause after the gap with the clause before the gap. And in this particular case, we need a preposition. Which preposition do we need? Well, it's not a very common preposition, which might be the reason why you struggled with this question. But the answer here is with. And with, in this particular case, introduces a participle phrase. If you don't know what participle phrases are, then I suggest you go onto the internet or consult a good grammar book now. But I would also, while you're on the internet or in that good grammar book, have a look at the usage of with as a preposition.